Danielle Carr, the dietitian, and we also have...
And I'm Maddie, and I'm the intern that's working with her.
We are going to make a delicious yogurt radish dip. So we'll take let Maddie take it from here. What do we do first?
Okay, first, well, I mean, obviously you want to turn your stove on, but we've had it heating up for a minute. So we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil right here. Well, we have everything prepped, but you're going to need to chop up some radishes, about 4 or 5 or so. And then we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 cloves of garlic. So in your pan, you're just going to pour the olive oil and all of your radishes.
We definitely made sure to eat some radishes while we were chopping them.
Yes.
If you're weird like us, they taste really good.
It was my first time trying them and I was obsessed.
Yes. She was like, oh my gosh, they kind of taste like earth.
Oh, and then I came in here with some allergies.
Mm-hmm.
And she was talking about how like they're really good for clearing up like sinuses and stuff like that.
Yep. They have a sulfur compound in them that will help clear up the mucus.
And it was funny she said that because I was like, wow, I'm not having sinus problems right now.
Food is medicine, people.
Yes.
Food is medicine.
So you just want to stir these around until they're nice and golden.
So now that the radishes are completely browned with the garlic, what do we do next?
Okay, so since they're all caramelized, they're going to be a really pretty color in the yogurt. So you're going to take 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt, non-fat. Greek yogurt.
Yes.
What did we use? Chobani?
Yep, Chobani.
And then we have 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And you're just going to pour that in there. And in the radishes, we left the oil in there because the oil has a lot of the flavor from the garlic and everything. And who doesn't love a good garlic?
That's true. Who doesn't love garlic?
Right. I don't think I've ever met anyone who doesn't. And then, I'm thinking like 2 or 3 cracks. You want to do salt to taste. Everyone's different for the taste. But we'll start small and we'll go up. So we have 3 right now.
Okay.
Just gonna mix that all up.
Okay.
You go first.
If you wait, I'm doing it.
Okay. That's good.
That's really good. Good job.
I feel like I can like hear my crunching.
Sorry if you can hear it crunching. So really good thing to bring for an appetizer. So great for the holidays. Put it in a cute little plate. You can bring it for holiday parties, an appetizer when you have people over, or if you're crazy like us, just something to probably snack on.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching.
Bye.